In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to automatically restore and backup Telegram messages. So let's get started. First of all is that you want to go here into the desktop version of Telegram. This is best done in here as it may not be available on the mobile version. But still you can check in the mobile if it is now available, because as of this date, when I checked, it is not available. But it is available here in desktop. So what we're going to do from here is that once you're logged in into your Telegram account, click here on the three horizontal bars right here in the top left. And then you would want to go here into settings. In here, you want to go into advanced next. And from here, you want to search for automatic media download. So this is the automatic part where you could restore and back up your Telegram messages, but this is only available for media messages like when they have sent a video or a photo. And from here, you can now choose in what conversation, like in private chat, would you allow Telegram to automatically download your media. So here, you can click on that and then you would have the settings in here for the chats, like you want to include photos, files, and limit by size if you don't want it to get too big. And then you have the autoplay and then limit by size and so on. Same goes for the other groups, like groups and channels. You could also limit or set your options. And then once you're done is that you want to go here at the very bottom where you can click here on export Telegram data. So this is if you would want to back up your Telegram personal messages. You can click here on export Telegram data. And basically in here, you would now be able to download all of your data here in Telegram, like the account information, contact list, story archive, bot chats, and channels. And you have your media settings right here, videos, voice messages, and so on. And you also have your chat. So you could find that somewhere right here. Here in the chat export settings, you have personal chats, bot chats right here. So this is your personal messages that you have made with the users here in Telegram. So just take those data that you'd want to be included in the download. And then navigate to the very bottom where you'd be able to see the location or where you would want to save the file that would be downloaded from Telegram. So I'm just going to go and save it right here somewhere in the downloads. Click on select folder. And then you can now choose the file type. You can go for HTML or machine readable or both. So in my case, I'll just go for HTML so I can read it. So I'm going to click here on export. All right, it is now done exporting. And as you can see right here, we now have the file. So in here, we can see the chat, list, CSS, images, and many more right here that we have included in the download. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to restore your data or chats in Telegram. So I'm not going to open them because they are sensitive data, but yeah, this is how you could do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.